Welcome everyone, it's Justice again here from tutorialscamp.com. So in this playlist we are going to start a new Kotlin tutorial. Okay, so we are going to see what we can do with Kotlin and then uh, develop some couple applications with it. So first of all, when we talk about Kotlin, what is Kotlin actually? So Kotlin is like a new programming language for Java developers. It's not a replacement for Java, no. It's like how to call it, the currently preferred language for Android development. Okay, yeah. So how to call it, if you are already an Android developer, if you know Jetpack Compose, you surely know that it's Kotlin that you need to use, right? So we are going to see how you can uh, use Kotlin to develop Android applications, and also if you want to use it for Java development, like backend development, like with Spring Boot and others, that's also fine. Okay, but this playlist will mainly focus on core Kotlin. Then after we move to Jetpack Compose, and then we develop a couple of applications there. Okay, so what are the benefits of this courses here, this playlist? So you'll be able to know Kotlin, and then you'll be able to develop some core application with it. Then after you learn the Jetpack Compose framework, and then it requires a Kotlin understand of Kotlin. So with this Kotlin knowledge, you'll be able to transfer that to Jetpack Compose and then build Android applications. Okay, and then furthermore, you go to Spring Boot development, and then with your Kotlin knowledge, you can also use it for Java backend development. Okay, those are the benefits. And the prerequisite, you don't need any prerequisite. You just need to have how to call it, a computer, and then the willingness to learn this Kotlin programming language. Okay, and then it's not. I'll try and make everything easy as possible so that even if you have no knowledge of programming, you'll be able to understand it. Okay, yeah. So that's the introduction section. So the next video will focus on the syntax of Kotlin and how you can actually start with the Kotlin development. So see you in the next